Understanding indirect evidence in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of the English language, phrases. Specifically, we'll dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, indirect evidence. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English phrases, this video will provide valuable insights. So, let's get started. Indirect evidence is a term often used in various contexts, like in legal scenarios, scientific research, or everyday life. Unlike direct evidence, which is straightforward and clear, like a witness testimony of seeing an event, indirect evidence suggests a conclusion or fact but does so indirectly. It's also known as circumstantial evidence. For example, if you see wet streets and people carrying umbrellas, the indirect evidence suggests that it has been raining, even though you didn't see the rain yourself. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. The detective used indirect evidence like fingerprints to solve the case. 2. In science, sometimes indirect evidence can lead to groundbreaking discoveries. 3. Her excitement was indirect evidence that she received good news. These examples show how the phrase is used to indicate evidence that is not directly observed but inferred from other observations or facts. The interpretation of indirect evidence heavily depends on the context. In a court of law, indirect evidence must be carefully analyzed, as it might be less conclusive than direct evidence. In daily communication, understanding that someone is using indirect evidence in their speech can help in better understanding their point of view or the information they are trying to convey. A common misunderstanding about indirect evidence is that it is always less reliable than direct evidence. However, that's not always true. Sometimes, indirect evidence can collectively be very compelling, even more so than direct evidence. It's important to look at the whole picture and not discount evidence just because it's indirect. Understanding phrases like indirect evidence not only enriches your English vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of nuanced expressions. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and its usage in English. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills. See you in the next video.